Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Susan and today I'm going to show you how I make apple juice. So let's get started. So here I have two bowls of apples, one bowl of Macintosh and the other bowl is the Empire apple. Now the reason I chose these apples is because of how sweet they are. I enjoy eating Macintosh apples and Empire apples, so because I have never made apple juice before, I figured these would be good apples to start with. So I already washed my apples in a vinegar solution so that I can remove any pesticides or dirt that is on my apples. And I'm going to slice them into quarters and I'm going to remove the seeds and the stems because I don't want them in my pot. Now this is no paid promotion. This is the steam juicer that I'm going to be using. I found mine on Amazon. You can use whatever steam juicer you can find, and because it's all going to do the same job to begin with. And what's nice about these things is that you can use it not just to make apple juice, but you can make grape juice, you can make any type of juices. You can also get the grape juice ready for making grape jelly, which is fantastic, which I'm going to try. And so this is the juicer that I had bought. Now before I start, I'm going to show you the inside of the juicer and how it actually works. So starting from the top, we have our stainless steel lid, and then you have your top colander, which is the place that you put all your fruit or vegetables in, because you can use this for vegetables as well. And then you have the juice reservoir that collects all the juice, and then you have the bottom pan that holds all the water that you're going to boil. So now that I have all my apples sliced up, I'm going to add them to my colander. Now as my apples start to steam and start to cook down, I'm going to continue to add apples until they're all in the pot. When you're using a steam juicer, the idea of it is not to disturb the process of juicing your fruit or vegetables, but I'm going to show you the inside of how it's actually working. So here you can see that the apples are getting steamed and cooked down, and then what you'll see is the juices from those apples being collected in the reservoir underneath it. Now the only time you're actually going to start separating the bottom pot from the middle pot is to make sure that there's always enough water in the bottom pot so that you can continue with the steaming process. Once there is enough juice in the reservoir, it's going to start flowing out through the tube, and you're going to need a jar to collect it. I actually had a jar on the counter, but it didn't seem to work very well, so what I did was I opened up one of the drawers so that gravity works better, right? You also don't want to leave it unattended, because once it starts flowing, it flows pretty quickly, and your jar is going to fill up very fast. Now from this point on, you can do two things. You can either, and it depends on how much juice you have, you can either can the jars so that you can put it on the shelf for a longer lifespan, or you can just put it in the fridge. Personally, I don't know how long it's going to last in the fridge because mine didn't last very long because it was that good. So we just ended up drinking it all. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye for now.